Working on this Chevy Silverado 2014 for a friend. Putting on 4 pulley steps to help him get in. And that's what they look like. I've already got one that I put on right here. And it turned out pretty good. But it took way too long to put it on because I didn't have the right tools. It took me around 3 hours to get that thing on there. Just 2 of those per box. It comes with nuts and bolts and sleeves and stuff to put them on different brands of trucks and SUVs. And there are instructions, which aren't that great. But that's what the steer looks like. And so I went out and bought at Harbor Freight. I'm going to use a step drill. That's the one that goes down to 1/8. It's 1/8 to 1/2. And this is the right angle drill I bought because I had some of these batteries around already. And so got a light. That's the step drill I'm going to use. Get in there to drill a hole. And then I've got my impact here with the 3/8 on it that I'm going to use to put in these screws here. Now these are the screws that come with the kit. And you can use a Phillips head or a square drive, but those square drive holes are not very deep, so it's really hard to put these in. So these are kind of junk. So I'm going to use these. I found some of these in my own screws. So I'll need 2 of these, 2 of the shorter screws, 4 washers, and 2 nuts for each stair, or step, I mean. So hopefully this won't take 3 hours to put the next one on. We'll see. So the way these are held on is you have to drill a hole here and here in the rocker panel after you've located this. And this is a bolt that goes through. Comes up into here. Front and back. This is the front. And then up there, there's another hole you have to drill for a sheet metal screw. And the easiest way to put that in is with an impact driver. They're self-tapping screws. The ones that comes with don't work very well. This is one of the ones that came with. It has a square drive that doesn't fit in very deep. It will take a Phillips, but at this angle I couldn't get anything in here. So that's a different screw that I put in this one. It's nice and strong. I set the step up there where I want it, and then I took my Sharpie and I just on the back side I put it through the hole and just kind of traced the hole for both of these holes, this one and this one. And I'm going to locate it right here. You can see that or not. Put it down as far as I could and kept it off of this bracket here, so it would sit on this flat part right there. Make sure I got it marked. Hope you can see anything or not. So now it's got marks up there on the top of this lip here. Oops. I can see the marks. Let's see if those marks or not. It's really dark in here. Let me get some light. So one of my marks is right there. And I'll get another one right here. So now I'll transfer this over to the bottom part so I can drill up. And the way I did that, I can get this thing so you can see. So I took my square and I set this edge here so it was just in the center of that hole. And so it's kind of like that. Let's see. So you can see the edge of it's about the center of that hole. You can see that or not. And so now when I put this upside down on this side, I can mark the center of that hole in the face where I've got to drill. And hopefully this helps the 5 people that are going to watch this video. Looks about right. My punch is there. Looks right. And drill a hole from under here. It's start out with a 1/8. Make your way up to, I think it's 3/8. 3/8 hole here and there. All right, it's in there, nice and solid. All right, there it is, all done. Probably not gonna film doing the rest of them because they're all the same. See how sturdy it is. Nice and strong. Alright, that's your bully step put in. So all in all, it wasn't a bad job. Would have been a lot better if I'd had a lift. Where is that lift? I can never find the lift.